There's only one way to calm anger. Instead of thinking about what their duty is towards us, we should think about what our duty is towards them. Don't be afraid. Even if you fall, you have to move forward. Even if you fall 1,000 times, still move forward. Human life is for the path of truth. Be good, serve parents, serve the sick, and help the needy. This is human life. Don't be impatient, walk on the right path patiently, and you will surely get the result. A person with sacred conduct in solitude is a Mahatma. Anger and greed are like fire. The more you feed them, the more they burn you. People with bad character will never be happy, so be a good human. Money obtained through unrighteousness is the cause of disaster. Hope is the cause of sorrow. A life without hope is the ultimate happy life. Service with the body, meditation with the mind, and silence with the words, this is true sadhana. Find joy and fulfillment in the present moment, and you shall be truly rich. Don't pay attention to who is doing what, just pay attention to what we have to improve. Seeing good qualities in oneself and bad qualities in others is a sign of ego. No person gives you sorrow, rather, your karma manifests as sorrow through that person. Chant the Lord's name not by counting, but by immersing yourself in it. Those whose mouths are devoid of the Lord's name, though alive, are dead in speech. Do not torment the sorrowful, for they will cry. If the Lord of the sorrowful hears, what will become of you? To cause pain to any living being is to invite suffering for oneself. Adversity and humiliation are the steps on the path to charity. Love is the essence of life. Spread it wherever you go. The path to true happiness lies within, search no further. In the garden of life, nurture love, and compassion blooms. The power of forgiveness transforms lives and purifies the heart and frees the soul. True strength lies in vulnerability and open-heartedness. Let love be the thread that weaves your life's tapestry. Embracing simplicity, we find true beauty. In simplicity, you will find the highest wisdom. The language of love transcends words. Unconditional love awakens the divine within. Radiate love, and darkness disappears. Love's purity cleanses the soul. In the silence, listen to your heart's whispers. A heart filled with love and devotion is the true temple of God. True happiness is found not in possessions, but in contentment. The one who serves selflessly experiences divine bliss. Ego is the greatest obstacle on the path to self-realization. Silence is a powerful language that only the wise can understand. Faith in God turns difficulties into opportunities for growth. Every challenge in life is a disguised blessing to elevate the soul. Pure love does not expect anything in return, it only gives. The company of saints and wise people purifies the mind and heart. Love and devotion remove all obstacles on the spiritual path. A contented heart is the richest treasure in the world. The only way to control the mind is through constant remembrance of God. Do not chase after the temporary, seek the eternal truth. What you give to others, life will return to you manifold. Each breath taken in remembrance of God brings you closer to liberation. Your thoughts shape your reality. Think positive, live positive. Pride is the root of suffering, humility is the gateway to peace. The path of love and devotion is the easiest way to reach the divine. Never belittle anyone, you do not know their struggles. Your purpose in life is to serve, love, and uplift others. Be like a river, keep flowing towards the ocean of truth. True wisdom is knowing that you are just a servant of the divine. An honest and pure heart is the most precious jewel one can possess. When you surrender to God, worries disappear like mist before the sun. A disciplined life leads to a divine life. Where there is devotion, there is divine grace. Every moment is an opportunity to serve and love unconditionally. The greatest pilgrimage is the journey within yourself. A heart full of gratitude experiences heaven on earth. True knowledge is not about learning more, but about realizing the self. Meditation is the bridge between the mind and the divine. The highest worship is to see God in every being and serve them with love. These teachings of Premanand Ji Maharaj reflect the essence of a meaningful life rooted in love, devotion, humility, and selfless service. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you.